video today. I'm going to take the Nissan for its MOT again. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll pass. So let's get started and see what happens. Well, we're off. Throttle position sensor's not exactly right yet, but I've got all that to adjust. I just want to get the MOT on it and then I can fine tune it. But the actual throttle response is a lot better. So that new throttle body seems to be a bit better. Because once it warms up, we'll be able to judge what the cold start's actually doing and what the revs are sitting at. But other than that, it's running fine. Give it a bit of a nice run as well. Handbrake seems to be fine as well, so seems to work nice. Fuel through it. It's starting to stall a little bit. I think the revs are still dropping a little bit too much, but that could be that throttle's not in the right place. So we've still got a little fine adjustments to do, but I'm really happy. It's running really nice, a lot better than it was. It sounds amazing. It's a fifth. Lovely. Rubbing a little bit, but I think it's definitely on that wheel arch, I might on the bumper, so I might even trim that off at some point. It's not too bad. Handbrake still feels a little bit sticky, so I don't know. A lot of speed bumps. Well, we're here, so the thing I'm still worried about is this handbrake. But it seems fine, I don't know, I'm probably just being paranoid. But hopefully it'll pass. So we'll take the keys in now and see what happens. So handbrake's depending in really, and should be alright. It says 10 minutes, so we're gonna have a walk around for 5-10 minutes, and then fingers crossed we'll be alright. Power steering? What's that then? Power steering, it's the big arms.
Well,
right, it passed, so I'm really happy. The handbrake still needs bedding in a little bit, but like the mechanic guy said, the MOT tester guy, he said they need bedding in, they're not getting used. So, and the throttle's still not right, so we've got to sort that. But it's MOT now, so I can actually do some road testing. So I've got to go, got to get it taxed now this afternoon, do all that online. Just get out of here. Oh, I feel quite good now. Quite relieved. This is that big one I smacked the bumper on last time, this speed bump.
Relief.
Yeah, a little bit of relief, yeah. I feel quite good now. So next thing is, like I said, is tax, and then we're going to adjust the throttle over the weekend. And on Sunday, it's the High Tone Restorations Open Day, so we're going to give it a run up there, show it off a little bit, have a look around High Tone's facilities. Dickhead Porsche driver. Leave that in. Yeah, because I did a video on that probably about 3 years ago now, wasn't it?
Yeah, with Stan.
With Stan, yeah, before the COVID sort of thing. That was quite a good day, so we're going to have another look round there.
Film it all for the channel.
Film it all for the channel. Take the Nissan for a run. I'm just glad it's got an MOT on it. See, the brakes do work, just not bedded in. It's all brand new, everything's brand new. It's just, if you sit now and leave it in the garage, it can get used. This is that big old speed bump here as well. Easy up. It's not a fast car, but it's not built for, in my eyes, this car's not for speed, it's for nice cruising, sounding nice, looking nice. People keep saying I should turbo it. I don't want to. I want to keep it simple.
People might want to see your ear.
That's where the rev should sit there. Then it's got a bit of adjustment to do. nice. 0 to 60 in about 4 hours. I think it's about 7 seconds, which is pretty slow really. By today's standards, but by 80 standards, when this first came out, all this engine and the hatchback came out, it was quite a quick car. You know, like the original hot hatches. Stopped off in town and walked round. Now we're going to take home, get it taxed online. I've got a little bit of work to do tomorrow, a bit of polishing and cleaning. I might clean the brakes up a little bit, see if I can drive it around a bit just to clear the brakes and the discs a little bit. As they said, they're not working as they should, the brakes, but like I said, they need bedding in. But I'm just really pleased it passed. Get some motoring done now, get some shows done. So we've got this show at High Tone, it's not really a show, it's an open day, and then there's a little classic car show which is local to me at a local bus museum. There's just another little run out we're going to do, and that's in about a week or so, so we're going to give that thingy just to get some miles under its belt. and hopefully get to some shows a little bit further away, some more Japanese style car shows, modified car shows, that sort of thing. So I'm gagging for a cup of coffee, so I'm going to go out and put the kettle on. So if you've liked this video, don't forget to smash the like button. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down twice, because then you don't like it twice as much. And I'll see you on the next video.
Bye.